This is the main board of my broken scanner, and as you can see there is one chip on it, and do you see this letter? It says LM317. This is actually voltage regulator. I am going to harvest this chip because I can use this chip as a voltage regulator for my project. To harvest this, I just need a solder iron, then little bit of a solder, then solder flux. So using these three elements, I will harvest this. Yeah, first I will exchange the solder iron's tip to larger one because I need to apply the heat energy to the element. Then I will turn my solder iron on, and the solder iron model I'm using is WEP9273. Then I'm going to dip this solder tip into the flux. Then I will wet this element. Then I will detach it. Okay, so let's dip the solder tip into the flux. Then I will wet this element to apply the heat flux enough. Then using tweezer, then while I'm applying the heat energy, I will detach this. Just keep moving while just using tweezer. Just keep moving the element while I'm applying the heat energy. So once the solder is melting, then you can detach this. Okay, one side is done. Let's do the other side. Okay, I successfully detached the LM317. Great. So now I can use this as a voltage regulator. So this is the voltage regulator LM317. I just detached it from the main board. So using this I can use as a voltage regulator for any project. Thank you for watching.